Welcome to my channel, your go-to source cybersecurity tutorials. Today we are diving deep into the Metasploit to explore the world of port scanning using a TCP scans. Port scanning is a crucial phase. Port scanning is a critical phase in any penetration testing or ethical hacking engagement, and Metasploits make it easier than ever. So let's get started. But before we begin, let's quickly understand what port scanning is and why it's essential. Port scanning are like door in a building, and they determine how data enters and leave a system. By scanning these ports, we can discover potential vulnerabilities and weak points in a target system. Alright, to perform a TCP port scan with a Metasploit, you will need to have a Metasploit framework installed. If you have not already, you can download it and install from an official website. Once Metasploit is installed, open your terminal and launch it by typing MSF console and hit enter. In a Metasploit, we have a variety of modules at our disposal. To search TCP port scanning module, type search and press enter. So this will list available port scanning modules. Today we will use the auxiliary scanners, port scan and TCP module. Using the use command to select the TCP scanning module, type use and type auxiliary scanners, port scan and TCP and hit enter. Now let's see what option we have needed configure by typing show options. First we will run the info command. For why info command is type what the inside the description and what kind of work is this tool. Enumerate open TCP services by performing a full TCP connect on each port. This is not needed to administrative privileges on these source machines, which may be useful for a pivoting. Okay, we place the show option command. So here was the options are here, and we set the R host. Now let's see what option we need to configure by typing show options. You will need to set the R host option with a target IP address you want to scan. To set in a type set R host, we set the R host with a set command, and our target IP address was 192.168. Our target IP address was a metasploitable. And how you can check with a show command, we are set the R host, okay, and we run the exploit with a exploit command and hit enter. Here was the port scanning was running. MSF console was scanning all ports. As you can see, the Metasploit port scanning modules find identical results as our Nmap scan. Metasploit will now scan the target system for open TCP ports. It will display the results showing which ports are open and potentially vulnerable. Interacting once the scan is complete, you can analyze the result to identify potential attack vectors or services running on an open port. That's it. You have successfully performed a TCP port scanning using a Metasploit. Remember, port scanning is a crucial step in penetration testing, allowing you to understand the target system better and identify potential vulnerabilities. Always use this knowledge responsibly and only system you have a permission test. If you found this tutorial helpful, do not forget like, share, subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay updated with the latest cybersecurity tutorials in my channel. If you have any questions or needed further clarification, please leave the comment below. Until next time, stay ethical, stay secure.